can see our pictures here. Cute, kind and so lovely soul.
But एकदम completely.
Okay, so this is the fabric.
So we decided to add this both thing here. Kaudi, I don't know.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, me and my friend Mansi decided to make an outfit from scratch. So you will see all the process behind the scenes of building an outfit from scratch. Actually not an outfit, it's a kurta. So building an outfit was a good idea, but we thought that rather than building an outfit, we should go for something cute, small and which could be done faster. So we went for the kurta, and I'm literally obsessed with the kurta that Mansi has shipped. And also we have met earlier. We have met to the Maybelline event. You can see our pictures here. And she's very cute, kind and so lovely soul.
अभी मुझे जैसा कपड़ा चाहिए कॉटन में प्रिंटेड, वैसा आई होप मिल जाए. We are searching for the shop, and guys, I'm beginner at like directly vlogging to the camera. I've never tried it before, so please bear with me. But एकदम completely भरला है. I like this one. So we finally finalized the kurta print that I wanted. Now I'm going back. मुझे शॉप में जाते ही एक वाइट कलर का पीस दिखा and it was looking so good and like वो अच्छा बजट में भी था, so I got that one and it looks very pretty.
Hi, okay, so I finally got the fabric. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the fabric. So Arpita and I, we both have discussed already like what will be the designs and all that stuff. So let me just show you the design. Okay, so I'm thinking of to make a short kurti for college wear. It's going to be a backless kurti, not too much deep back, but just a little bit kind of a thing. And also thinking of to adding these shells, lace kind of a things. And I'm also thinking of to add two little bows. So the bows are going to be over here and here. So it would look, the kurti will give a little cute vibe. Now let's get started with the process. Okay, so I am done with cutting the fabric and now I'm also thinking of to add this canvas paper. This canvas paper is going to be over here in the neck, like in the front neck part and in the back neck part.
So she made the best kurta. We decided about the designs, how I want the kurta to be and everything about like the measurement and everything. She helped me a lot because it was also new, something new for me that I wasn't like pretty sure about. And what we have created, I mean Mansi created, it was our ideation to do this. So it's पंखे की हवा, so please. This is the kurta that she made and it's so beautiful. So we decided to add this bow thing here and it looks very pretty. I loved it so much. Also added some with this pearls. It was very trending now that everyone was adding that kaudi, I don't know.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I don't know what's that. I don't know what's that called, but it's an oval shaped shells which everyone else were adding, but I thought that adding this could be something different. So we did this normal shells with motis pearls. Sorry. So we added those pearls, and to the pearls we have attached those shells, and the back looks really pretty and gorgeous. The front, which is very normal circle shape, circle oval, normal shape neck, and it looks so good. Plus ये कपड़ा मुझे जाते ही पसंद आ गया था, so it was my first impression. Also very kindly she sent me these jhumkas, and they are so pretty and it goes perfectly with the kurta. Okay, I am just obsessed. Just the one thing that this cloth is a bit see-through, but if you wear sleep underneath, it's okay. But I guess if we could have added astar or something inside this cloth, then it could have been very much better. But otherwise, it's so perfect, and I'm just in love with this because just look. Like everything is so perfect, and I'm just obsessed and loving this. This is how it looks, and one more thing, my skin is glowing. You can wear a blue pair of jeans, but abhi main bahar hu, so this is what I bought. How it looks. I hope you like this video, and the struggle that Mansi did for me is so cute, and thanks for that. And I love this outfit so much. I was thinking of making another, where I'm saying outfit all the time. It's kurta, okay? So I also talked to her about making a top also, but she was busy with different things, personal things, so I won't share that. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow Mansi on Instagram, and also follow me on Instagram too.